Hey guys, welcome back to Thunderdome Homestead. Excuse me. So, I have this guy. A John Deere L100 series. This will work with an L100, L108, L10, whatever. 100 series. So, I grew vastly tired of having to hit this dumb button every time I wanted to keep the mower blades on in reverse. So, what I done is, if you can see here, I took the clips off and I grounded both of the paddle things out, whatever you want to call those. I basically took a piece of tie wire, ran them in together, and shorted out the system with that. And shove it back in place. Nice thing about this is you don't have to hit this button no more, and you don't have to cut any wires or do anything like that. There's a lot of innovative ways to disable some safety features on these guys. Alright, let's talk real here. I do not recommend, especially if you were 10 pounds of dumb in a 5-pound bag, that you disable any of the safety switches on your mower. That being said, if you grew up like me and you didn't have any of the safety features and they've become more of a pain in your ass than they are worth, that's how to do one of them. I hold no liability for your stupidity, if you have any. So, that being said, you don't know how to run a mower like this without cutting your hands, your feet, your whatever off, then that's your problem, not mine. Anyhow, you got something out of this, like, share, subscribe, and I'll talk to you later.